Pie hole, explained. More than just desserts. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Ever heard someone use the phrase, pie hole, in English and wondered what it means? Today, we're diving into the fun and quirky expression, pie hole. By the end, you'll know exactly how and when to use it. So, let's get started. Pie is a popular dessert in many cultures, typically made of a pastry crust filled with various sweet fillings. Hole, in this context, refers to an opening or gap. So, the phrase, pie hole, quite literally refers to the opening through which one would eat pie. That is, the mouth. But in colloquial English, pie hole isn't usually used to talk about enjoying desserts. Instead, it's a slang term for the mouth. You might hear it used in sentences like, shut your pie hole, meaning, be quiet, or, stop talking. I'm going to stuff my pie hole with some pizza, meaning, I'm going to eat a lot of pizza. Note: while it can be fun to use, be cautious. Depending on the situation, it might come off as rude or playful. Always consider the context and your relationship with the person you're speaking to. Though the exact origins of pie hole are a bit murky, it's believed to have been a 20th century invention in American slang. The idea behind it is quite simple. Since pie is eaten with the mouth, and the mouth is a hole of sorts, the term pie hole was coined as a humorous and somewhat cheeky way to refer to someone's mouth. And there you have it. The next time someone tells you to shut your pie hole, you'll know they're not commenting on your dessert choices, but rather, they're playfully, or maybe not so playfully, asking you to be quiet. Language is full of fun and quirky expressions, and pie hole is just one of many. We hope you found this explanation helpful, and we can't wait to explore more English phrases with you soon. Until next time, happy learning!